What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So Nothing is rolling out a new update for Nothing 4A Pro based on Nothing OS 4.1 and it brings April security patch. With this latest update, they have introduced essential voice feature and it's a very useful feature. I'll show you guys how to use in day-to-day tasks. See, Nothing always adds useful features, but they also mentioned about the camera improvements and trust me guys, I personally did not notice any kind of differences. I do have the video of before and after update. I'll show you guys everything, but before that, let's take a look at the software information. Here you can see Nothing OS 4.1. If I scroll down under Android version, we have the security patch of 1st April 2025. And if you guys haven't received the OT update, just go to the About section, Software Info section, tap on Nothing OS, and you should immediately get the OT update. This was the OT update which I received on my Nothing 4A Pro, where you can see they have mentioned about essential voice, camera enhancements, and some general bug fixes. And the update size is 246 MB. But before talking about all these changes, guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So once you install this latest update of Nothing OS 4.1, you should find this essential voice option inside the settings. So here I have the screenshots of that. If you are opening it for the first time, you'll see a welcome screen which says turn speech into polished text, automatically removes filler words and repeated words in your speech, map what you say to exactly what you want. Then you also have a translate agent which can automatically detect 100 plus language and transcribe. You can also activate essential voice using the essential key. And at last they have mentioned about the privacy thing. So if you want to do mapping, you need to go to the settings, intelligent toolkit, tap on essential voice, tap on tryout and scroll down. Here you can see you have personal mapping where I've mapped few things like insert my address. Under that I have added the address. So I just have to say this, the address will be automatically added. And I've also mapped a message. So if I say insert my message, it will automatically write this message there. And the same thing I did for insert my mail ID and I've entered my mail ID. So it's nice that every time I don't have to speak out longer sentences. There are two ways to activate it. One is, for example, if you're messaging someone, now after this update, towards the bottom side you will see an icon of essential voice. One is this thing, and the second thing is if the keyboard is opened up, you can just tap and hold the essential key to start recording. You'll see something like this, which means essential voice is working. So these are the two ways using which you can trigger essential voice while messaging or while writing emails or even while creating notes. Now let me show you some real life use case. For the first one, which says clean up transcription by filtering out interjection, filler words, etc. I'll try to speak messy and let's see whether it writes clean and proper or not. So I'll tap on the button. So today I want to talk about this new update, and like it has many features and I think camera is also improved a lot, and yes, it looks good. So here you can see now we have a clean and proper sentence written. This way it removes interjection, filler words and more. After that it says translate on the fly by detecting your translation intent and inserting the translated text directly. So here AI will automatically analyze, like it all depends on your usage. If you continuously use essential voice services, mostly it should recognize like whether you are trying to translate or not. I just started using, let's see whether it works or not, because till now I've been speaking only in English. I'll say something in Hindi and let's see whether it works. And also make sure you have selected the languages. Like in my case, I've selected English. मुझे कल client के साथ meeting schedule करनी है और presentation भी prepare करनी है. So currently it's writing in Hindi itself, but mostly it should work if I train the essential voice using my primary language. Then the next feature allows you to store personal phrases like email address, which I showed you guys initially. So while using the essential voice feature, I have to speak phrases which I have mapped. Like one of them is insert my address. So I'll just show you. I'll open Notes application. This can be used while messaging or while sending emails too. I'll tap on the icon, insert my address. There you can see. With that particular command, I'm able to enter my address. And the same way I can also add other things which I have mapped. And those mapped things I've already shown you. Like insert my mail ID, insert my message. And after that, there are few format options. If you see the change log, it says format the text automatically by converting speech into structured list, steps or bullet points. So here also let me show you one example. My task for today, finish video editing, upload YouTube video, reply to emails and go to gym in the evening. Here you can see it has properly categorized. My task for day, finish video editing, upload YouTube video, reply to mails, go to gym in the evening. I'll give you another example of steps. Steps to make coffee, boil water, add coffee powder, add sugar, mix well and serve hot. You can see it has properly given me all these steps. Like first step, boil water, second add coffee powder, add sugar, mix well and serve hot. So this way you can use essential voice. After that, if you talk about the camera enhancement, so as I told you guys before, I personally did not notice any kind of improvements here, and I'm not sure why Nothing is not improving on the camera segment. It's really inconsistent. So I'll show you videos before and after. The first change is 4K 30fps recording now supports seamless zoom for more fluid experience. I personally did not notice any kind of major improvements here in the while zooming in 4K 30fps. But one change what you'll notice here, now instead of max 7x zoom, now we do have the maximum support of 20x zoom in 4K 30 FPS. After that, they say switching cameras now automatically resets auto exposure and autofocus to ensure optimal focus and exposure for shots. So here you can see side by side video. Again, did not notice much of difference here. If you guys notice, do let me know in the comment section below. Then they say they have optimized the face tracking frame during recording to reduce interruption. And this thing is something which I personally feel nothing needs to improve a lot on this. Even if you see the before and after video, both the videos are exactly same. While moving the phone, the subject goes towards the left side, and while moving towards the right hand side, subject goes towards the right corner. This generally should not happen while recording the videos on a phone. So in terms of camera, I did not notice any kind of major improvements. After that, they have fixed some app crashing issues. And at last, some general bug fixes have been done, nothing else. So you guys let me know in the comment section below, should nothing really work on the camera part on their nothing phones, or you guys are happy with the performance of camera on nothing phones? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.